three egos?
Because what they said was that there is one reality. One reality and three experiences.
Okay.
So ego is experiencing waking state, ego is experiencing dream state, and ego is experiencing deep sleep.
Okay.
So that's why they called it three egos.
Oh, okay.
Because it's related to.
But it's actually one person.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
And then
It's
when
one
the
consciousness.
ego is gone, then you go in the
One
other
person,
state.
but
It's
last
one
state.
consciousness,
Okay.
and consciousness is all, everything.
Correct.
There's no boundaries.
Right.
Right.
Only it's
right.
taking different shapes and it's taking different names, but it's actually one. But just for understanding purpose, they're making it like this.
Yeah, she's right. So we can go, that is now 3 and 4 kind of go together. So let's do the Sanskrit. Should we just, you want to repeat it after me, Sanskrit, or just
we repeat, yeah.
Vishwaha hi
Vishwahi
Sthula Bhuk
Sthula Bhuk
Nityam
Nityam
Taijasaha
Taijasaha
Pravivikta Bhuk
Pravivikta Bhuka
Ananda Bhuk
Ananda Bhukta
Pragyaha
Pragyaha.
or Pragnyaha, like that they say,
You
Pragyaha.
have this three.
How do you pronounce that? Pragya or Pragnya?
But in,
Pragya.
दो बिंदी आ गई ना?
no,
I pronounce a Pragya.
No, the बिंदी आ गई है उसको.
no, Bindi is her.
Oh,
That's a
okay,
Visarga.
Pragya.
So,
This three.
in the north we say Gya, but in the Gujarat and all those places they say Gna. Gna, Pragna. But in our Chinmaya mission we say Pragna.
Pragnya?
Pragnya.
Okay.
Tridha.
3, 4.
Tridha,
Bhogam.
Bhogam,
Bhogam.
Nibodhat.
Nibodat.
So,
You want to read the explanation?
you want to see the English words of each?
Yeah.
Not each one.
Yeah, each one
You
is
wanna
good.
do?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to
Why don't you,
pronounce
Vishwaha.
tum kar lo na?
नहीं ना विश्व है विश्व
No,
है
Sneha, why don't you do, because you are good in Hindi, why don't you read it?
Stool book experience of gross.
Yeah, correct.
Then Nityam,
Are you doing good?
constantly. Tejasa. And then Pravik
प्रवृत्ति book
book, experience of the subtle.
subtle. Oh.
Ananda book, the experience of bliss. Tatha and Pragya, Pragnya. What is it?
Tridha.
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 Tridha. Bhogam, the experience. Nibodhat, no.
One who knows. Okay.
See,
Nibodhat.
if you know Hindi, you can see
Yeah.
the relationship of the ends.
I'm not that good at it.
Yeah.
Know these to be the threefold experiences. Vishwa always experiences the gross
Gross
sense
senses.
objects. Tejasya enjoys the subtle world of objects, and Prajna the blissful.
Yeah.
So now he explained, right? Vishwa experience is a gross sense object.
The
These are the
waking
gross
state.
ones. जो हम
Yeah.
लोग अभी
Waking
देखे थे.
states.
They just enjoy the subtle world. We know that we are
The mind.
experiencing the subtle world. And then pragna में क्या होता है?
The
Bliss.
total bliss.
Bliss.
So now we
The
understood
deep
what
state,
it is.
yeah.
Yeah.
Stool, what is it?
Sthulam.
Oh, you have to do that.
Oh, okay. Sthulam sorry. Sthulam taparyate.
Tarpayate.
Tarpayate. Sorry.
Tarpayate.
Sthulam tarpayate.
Sthulam Tarpayate.
Vishwam.
Vishwam
Vishwam
praviviktam
Viktam
tu
Tejasam.
tejasam
Tejasam
anandaha
Ananda.
तथा च
Tatha.
च प्राज्ञम त्रिधा
Tridha
तृप्तिम निबोधत.
Sthulam tatta paryate, the gross object satisfied. Vishwam, Vishwa. Pavittam, the subtle. Tu means whereas. Tejasna means tejasa. Anand is bliss. Tatha means cha. And in the same way. Cha means tatha cha means in the same way. Pragya means pragya. Tridha means to be threefold. Triptam is satisfaction. Nibodhat no. The gross objects satisfy the Vishwa, whereas the subtle objects satisfy the Tejasya, while the bliss satisfies the Prajna. Thus the bliss is threefold. Oh. The idea contained in these two stanzas has already been exhaustively dealt with while we were discussing the corresponding portions in the Upanishad. In order to facilitate your comprehensive understanding of the entire Upanishad, we have given on page 3 in the introduction to this chapter a table in which we classified the enjoyments, the contentments, the place of meditation and so on, of the three state of consciousness. Sri Shankaracharya himself has no commentary to make, and so leaves them saying that all the terms have been explained.
Okay.
We can go back to the
Exactly,
page.
and now I'll tell you one. I also went back. All of a sudden, that chart makes so much sense.
Yeah.
पहली बार पढ़ा था तो we were like, oh,
Yeah,
what is
yeah,
this
well,
chart? Let's
yeah.
go back to that chart. You will see how it all opened up now
Page
after
3.
doing that much work. Because कभी-कभी लगता है ना,
Page,
are we understanding?
Page
हमारे में
3
21 है.
21.
नहीं,
हमारे
21.
में 21 है. इनके में दूसरा है.
Yeah, page 3 है.
आप में 3 है, हमारे में 2. ये
हमारे
वाला
में
chart.
21.
हाँ. So
हाँ,
now look at that.
AUM.
A U O U और म
Yeah.
है ना? So फिर अभी
The
उसके
word
different.
alphabet A.
A is Vishwa, waker.
Waker.
U is Tejas, dreamer. M is Pragna, deep sleeper. Now, and this is microcosm. Remember we discussed macrocosm. So one is this samashti में क्या है उसको विराट. Remember विराट रूप हमने discuss किया था. Vaishwanara and slash विराट.
Yeah.
Hiranyagarbha, it is totality. Totality में dream state is Hiranyagarbha, and totality में deep sleeper is Ishwar. And then state is what? Waking.
What are you? I think first do the A. What are you doing? All you comparing all three or what?
Yeah, we are just
Okay.
going. जैसे कि
The
तीन
column
just
is different or what? Because I didn't see what.
no, I'm going up
Oh, like that.
and
Okay.
down
Okay.
because we have to go each thing, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay. Each column you're doing column by
column by
okay.
column because
So,
then only it will
first
be,
is A. Yeah. And that
So,
is the
yeah.
and then you and then
फिर
A,
आवाज-
A represent the waker.
हाँ.
And you represent the Tejasva and Prajna. That is a microcosm, huh?
हाँ,
Why
तो दोनों
is
पे.
it-
Micro is just individual. हाँ,
Micro,
Okay.
this is macro.
Macro.
It's a
Macro is
Oh,
totality.
Okay.
And then अवस्था
This
क्या
is
है?
summary
Waking,
of
dream and sleep. देखो
नहीं तो इसमें विराट रूप क्यों बताया है? That is
विराट
the
हमने
microcosm.
you forgot now. हम उन्होंने विराट का एक description दिया था. वो
Everything.
7 limbs थे उनके. अगर हम एक टोटालिटी में ले लेंगे पूरे दुनिया को तो कैसा होगा रूप है वो कृष्ण भगवान ने विराट रूप दिखाया था उसको.
Yeah.
Because Arjun asked
10 heads and something. Yeah.
not 10 heads, infinite heads. Okay, this is what it is. I think that this is a good time to discuss because
Yeah.
we have to clarify it.
Yeah.
When we say God is everywhere and in everything, and if I take total, whose heads are those? Is all of us together. Okay, you take one drop of ocean, you can hold it in your hand, but entire samudra is everybody together.
Yeah,
That
all
is
the drops
Virat.
together, all the drops
All
together.
the drops together. It creates a power. So then when you say Virat, this इसलिए विराट रूप में सब कुछ समाया हुआ था. उसको अर्जुन को सब कुछ दिखाई दिया विराट में. उसको past, present, future दिखाई दिया. उसको
Birth and death.
बर्थ डेथ दिखाई दी. उसको महाभारत का वॉर दिखाई दिया. उसको खुद दिखाई दिया. कृष्ण भगवान दिखाई दिया. ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश दिखाई दिए. सब कुछ. It's totality. That is Virat. But that's a waking state. Right? And then the same totality when it when it is dreaming, for us it is Tejas when we are dreaming. For the totality is Hiranyagarbha. That's the term used there. You'll come across that term more.
Later, okay.
And then Prajna is Ishwar. Because when it comes to Vedanta, they are very technical in it. For them, Ishwar is separate from Brahman. Someday we will discuss that.
Yeah.
We cannot, those two words are different in this thing. People do use it,
Interchangeable.
Bhagwan, Ishwar, Brahman, no. In Vedanta, it's different. And then Avastha Dikhi teen, we know that Avastha, right? Waking, dream and sleep.
Yeah.
Consciousness ko kya hota hai?
Yeah, yeah.
It is outer.
Outer probably.
First and then
Then it is inner. And third it said homogeneous. Remember we discussed that word homogeneous. Why? It becomes one ghan, one mass.
big mass.
Yeah. And then भोग में क्या है कि भाई तुम क्या भोग रहे हो? Gross objects भोग रहे हो.
Material things, yeah.
Material things. इसमें ड्रीम में हम सटल चीजें भोग रहे हैं. उसमें भी भोग चालू है.
Yeah.
और जब
Deep.
भोग नहीं है तो क्या है?
Happiness.
Happiness.
Less.
हम लोग को उल्टा लगता है. हम लोग को लगता है कि भोग में bliss है. No. When you drop the bhog, that's where bliss starts.
वो बात अलग है.
नहीं भोग में मिलता है.
Even in
See,
bliss,
one
हाँ.
very important thing is भोग में भी आनंद मिलता है हमको.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो आनंद
Temporary है.
Temporary.
है.
That's the only difference. You
Yeah.
cannot say that भोग में आनंद नहीं है.
Hmm.
नहीं तो हम लोग क्यों
Once
करेंगे?
you are
The
in
Anand
bliss,
in living also, in waking and dream, and all over there's Anand. Also
Yeah.
can
Why?
be.
Okay, now tell me why.
Why?
But it's
Because
temporary,
it's a
na?
state of mind.
No, it is coming from consciousness.
Oh.
Consciousness is continuously there.
Yeah.
Except that in the waking state, when we do the bhog,
We
we
forget.
think the object is giving us, but it is wrong thinking because happiness is coming from inside. Whenever आपने लड्डू खाया, तो आपको कहाँ खुशी मिली? अंदर, मन में.
जीभ में तो मिला ही स्वाद आया.
लेकिन वो
आनंद तो
connection
मन में
हुआ.
आएगा, हाँ.
लेकिन आनंद और हम लोग जब भी मंदिर में भी जाते हैं, रिमेम्बर ऐसे हम कभी मूर्ति देखते हैं तो सबसे पहले आंख बंद कर लेते हैं. Why? Because we are experiencing it inside.
But it's temporary, and that's why we have to repeat it many times. Eat all the time.
Yeah, but he's telling that you have bliss inside.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right. So that's good that we're doing this. So gross subtle happiness हो गया. तृप्ति क्या मिली? वो gross तृप्ति है. ये subtle है और ये, so that's fine too. And then place of meditation. Now read that.
Yeah.
You will
Oh,
immediately
now
get
it's
it.
good, yeah.
See, the whole chart opened up to us.
Yeah.
पहले हमने पढ़ा, हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ.
पहले तो right eye,
Right eye.
and then the mind,
Mind
and
and
manas, and heart, the space.
So now we got that. Let's go.
Deep sleep.
But no one really worships with the right eye. No one meditates on the right eye. I don't know. Never heard
You don't
that kind
need
of
to,
meditation.
but it's just a technical thing that he's just telling you, you know. And who knows? There are, when it comes to meditation in our shastras, there are probably 200 ways they have shown. So
Wow.
somebody may be meditating in right eye.
actually they
You know why you don't want to meditate in the right eye? Then you will be stuck the outside world. We're trying to go inward.
no, there is a story that goes somewhere I read, which was जो प्रजापति के दो लड़के थे, एक तो
किसके दो लड़के थे?
प्रजापति के,
Prajapati ke, हाँ.
Yeah.
and one was devta and one was
Asur.
dana. Yeah. So they both wanted to know. They heard Brahma was the ultimate, and if you know the knowledge of Brahman, then you can become, so he said, you are not ready. You go 30 years, do this, and I'll come back. So they come back, and then he said, Brahma resides in your right eye. So the Asur one, he took it as a, and he went and he looked in the mirror in the water, and he said, okay, so I have to keep my body, in good shape. And so they bury their body, they put all the bartan and everything for that and all that, and they were satisfied at that level. But Indra, who was the second one, he said, I'm not satisfied. So he said, okay, go another 30 years. So he tells him, and then ultimately he tells him about Brahma, that's not in your body. And so then they burned the bodies, So that is the story where
I think I had heard that story.
common they meet,
Yeah. So I think it's telling you wherever you get stuck, that's where your life kind
So
of.
then he goes through heart, mind, and then through heart, and then ultimately he tells him about the Turiya and the Brahma. So that is why there is, in fact, the Zoroasters,
Zoroastrians.
yeah, they think devil is bad. Deva, our Deva is their devil.
I found out because I was listening to one pravachan why this word Daitya and Devatas came because आपने बोला ना कि वो उसके
दो लड़के
लड़के थे.
तो उसने दो बहनों से शादी की थी, एक का नाम था दीति, एक का नाम था अदिति.
Aditi. हाँ.
Aditi.
तो
Yeah.
दीति के बच्चे आदित्य कहलाए.
Right.
सारे जितने भी देवता है,
Yeah.
तभी सूर्य को भी
Yeah.
आदित्य बोलते
Right.
हैं. और उसके दीति के दैत्य कहलाए.
Right.
Because she had a very दैत्य type of mind, makeup
Yeah.
of mind. So that's what happened.
Yeah.
So figuratively speaking, they said, like you were saying, our mind has both.
Yeah.
They
Good and the bad, yeah.
good and the bad.
Right.
It's, पत्नियां दोनों बहनें,
Yeah.
तो फिर किसका करोगे तुम? So
Right.
that's what it is.
Yeah.
Who you want to be, that's your choice.
Yeah.